Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Sonali and welcome to a new vlog. We are at the beach and I'm so excited to be here. We're here for like another week or so. So we've been here for a couple days already and we're just having the most like relaxing time. My dad was here for a few days and I vlogged a little bit. So I wanted to like just put those clips in here because I want to have those memories. So roll the clips. I think the last time we had a real beach vacation was this time last year at the same beach. Okay, California was not a beach vacation. And like Mustang Island, like that was nice, but also like I just don't count like a little weekend trip as like a whole beach vacation. But we're actually here for like 2 weeks and we're visiting my dad's new house, so that's really exciting. He's actually here, so I'm really happy I get to see him for a couple of days.
The views are a lot nicer in the day. I got here at night and
yeah,
now I come out here and see how pretty it is.
I have a weird thing about getting to like new places at night. Like I feel like the whole vacation doesn't feel real if I get there at night, if that makes sense. I don't know if you guys feel the same, so comment down below if you do to make me feel not crazy. Rosemary Beach isn't really like a new place, but I guess like since the house is new, it was just like kind of weird. We came in on a Thursday night, so we have the whole Friday to explore. I actually took off like a good bit of work while I'm here. I think I'm only working like 2 days out of the 2 weeks, so I'm kind of excited for a break. It's a lot later. Today has been just like a go day because my dad invited people over, so we're doing like a bonfire and oysters down at the beach. So we're gonna go head down there. I'm so freaking excited because oysters are like my favorite thing ever.
Me too.
Seafood, oh my god, I'm just so happy to be at the beach. Yesterday we just did a bunch of random errands. We went to breakfast, we went to a really nice dinner. The weather is so nice this morning. It was like 55 and it was honestly really cold, but Ryan's in heaven. But now we're going to the Rosemary Beach Farmers Market. My goal to get all the merch for all the beaches. I have Seacrest, I have Alice, and now we're gonna check out Rosemary Beach store. That's so cute. It's like a ribbed texture. I decided to wait to come back another day because the farmer's market is today, and so there's so many people in that dang store. It was definitely making me anxious, so I'm just gonna come back, maybe check out the Alice Beach store, and then come back after that. This whole area is really chaotic right now, but we found a calm spot, so I thought I would do an OOTD. My sweatshirt is from Amazon, literally my favorite thing ever. I hear my dad in the back. I just had his ace at the beach. Amazon, Set Active, Marc Jacobs. Shoes are New Balance. I'm obsessed with them. Just got ready for the beach and of course I got my period. Lovely, amazing. But I'm packing up my beach bag. I have this little tote from Princess Polly. So cute. I'm pretty sure my code's active right now if you guys are interested. Sonali20 at Princess Polly gets you 20% off. But I also just got some Amazon Prime stuff because I'm literally an Amazon addict. You guys already know. But anyways, I got a book because I joined a book club in Austin and I'm gonna try to read. I am not a reader at all, but I want to be, honestly. Like I really do, because I want to increase my vocabulary and everything like that. So this is the book we're reading. People we meet on vacation, so it's like perfect because we're at the beach. And then, hello. And then I'm bringing my Super Goop sunscreen. I love this stuff. Unseen sunscreen. I like put it under my makeup and wear it on the beach. I mean, I'm not wearing makeup right now, but you get the gist. I honestly haven't been vlogging too much and honestly even taking pictures, and I know I'm gonna regret this. So from now on, I'm going to attempt to do some daily vlogs while I'm at the beach because I took off like a bunch of work and I just wanted to like focus on just like everything else that's going on in my life. I guess to catch you guys up, when we land back in Austin, my world is just gonna get so freaking busy because it's grad season again. If you guys didn't know, I'm a freelance photographer and I mainly do grad photos, which are my favorite, but the seasons are very busy and hectic. So I have like a bunch of shoots because I don't really have that much availability like at the end of the year, just because I'll be traveling so freaking much. Obviously going home, then I have to take some work trips and go to a work conference, and then go back home for Christmas. But yeah, so November, like early November is gonna be like a crazy time, filled with like photo sessions and everything like that. Yesterday, I actually started planning my golden birthday. I'm turning 25 on November 25th, which is also Thanksgiving. Yay, so exciting. Usually I actually like to have my birthday on Thanksgiving just because like all of our family friends get together and, you know, I get to see people that I haven't seen in a while. But this year I'm like, damn it, my golden birthday, like why? So I'm gonna try to celebrate it early in Austin. And I don't want to give away too much of what I'm doing also because it's not really set in stone yet, so I don't really want to like jinx it or like say anything about it if it's not happening. But I'm actually really excited because I feel like for the past few years I just haven't really done much. Last year I actually got surprised with the cutest little picnic and my friends did it all and it was just so sweet and thoughtful. So like honestly that was probably one of the best birthdays, but that wasn't all my birthday. I was like at home. I pretty much just got Starbucks for my birthday and just chilled at home. So I feel like the birthday, like the day of my birthday, is very anticlimactic. But I've literally dreamed about having like a golden birthday party or like some kind of get together and doing it like really big and like bougie, which like I don't think it's gonna be that big and bougie, but I'm still gonna try to do something because I know I'm gonna regret if I don't. It's kind of like me dreaming about having a big wedding for so long. And I literally have nightmares, like very often, that I either skip out on the photographer, I skip out on the videographer, I elope or something, which like no hating on eloping because like obviously that saves you so much money. And I'm honestly considering it for like my big day because it just is so crazy to spend that much money at a wedding. But like, I feel like I'm gonna regret it so much if I do that, just because I've been like dreaming about a big wedding for so long. So it's kind of the same with this birthday, this golden birthday, because you only have a golden birthday once. So if you guys don't know what a golden birthday is, it's like you turn the age of your day that you're born on, so 25 on the 25th. And I also cannot believe I'm 25. Like when I was with my dad, it's just like he always brings up like memories of like when I was little and stuff like that. And like I have the worst memory, so it's kind of cool to hear it from him. But it's just weird to like think that I'm like all grown up and like it's just, I don't know. I don't feel 25. Like I feel like I should still be in school for sure. I always feel like I'm still in college. We're getting very hungry. I hear Ryan over there crunching on some Pringles. Couldn't wait. But I'm gonna make some sandwiches. We have like so much food in the fridge and like we want to eat out some days, but also we don't have a car this time. Usually we do have a car at the beach because we fly down from Atlanta, or like last time his mom was here, so she was able to pick us up. But this time we don't have a car. We only have electric bikes, which are honestly so fun, but that can only really get you so far because like I'm so worried about getting stuck anywhere. I mean, you can always pedal back, but apparently they're really heavy and just like hard to pedal back. But this morning I went for a hot girl walk. My first time really exercising after my surgery. I tried to run and I was like holding my boobs just in case. It was fine, but like I think I just need to like work on my form because I was just feeling like I was like pounding the ground. So we need to work on that when we get back home.
You were running?
I tried to run.
How was it?
Like I just maybe because my headphones were on, like I heard me like pounding the ground and I didn't like that, you know? So it kind of like scared me, but I stopped and just kept on walking. But I did 5 miles today, which is like, if you know me, you know I'm not a very active gal. So that was very impressive for me and I'm very proud. We also got matcha. He rode the bike to like a coffee shop and I saw him like ride and he texted me and he was like, do you want me to wait for you? And I wasn't even planning on going that far to a coffee shop, but I was like, you know what, this is gonna be a nice treat. I kind of wanted to like really go far and like test myself. So I did it. I'm very proud of myself. But both of our freaking feet are on fire because he went golfing yesterday. He said his socks were too thick.
Sand in my feet too.
Oh yeah, so the sand, I guess, made him get blisters. Today my feet were crying after that 5-mile walk, so both our feet are not doing so well today. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and make our sandwiches. It's a lot later, it's 5 o'clock, and I pretty much edited the whole day. I edited a Princess Polly haul, and then I'm editing an ACL vlog. Yesterday I did a Q&A on my Instagram stories, and that's where I got the idea for like the daily vlog. So that kind of put a fire under my butt to get editing so I can put those up and start posting the daily vlogs. So I'm really excited about it. I mean, today I haven't really been that good at it because I knew that I had a lot of footage from when my dad was here and everything, like the whole weekend. Since I've been editing all day, I kind of want to get out of the house. So we're gonna go to Alice Beach, bike over there, and see what's in their gift shop. I hope they're open. I should probably check the time, but over the weekend I did go by like Rosemary Beach shop, the Rosemary Beach like merch store or whatever. Basically like Seaside. I'm gonna close the store because it's probably freaking loud. If you guys have ever been to the Panhandle of Florida, Seaside is like the OG of who did like the famous shirts. And now everyone just like copied them. Like even Seacrest has their own like little merch store. Rosemary Beach does, Alice Beach, and I swear to you, they're like all the same font, but I still need them all. So I do already have like an Alice Beach shirt and a sweatshirt, but like, I don't know, they're so cute. And I'm gonna see if they have better colors than Rosemary Beach, because they had a color that I really wanted, but I was like, I'll just wait to see what Alice Beach has, and we can always like bike over back there. So we're gonna go over there, and I have a Princess Polly set on that I showed in my haul. It's a little blue set, and I wanna get a cool picture at Alice Beach while we're there.
So I took the bike, waiting for her to get ready.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, I'm just gonna go to the hub and back. But I went past the hub to see the other deer park, whatever.
Yeah.
And I got to the very end point, and the bike died.
Ryan.
So I had to ride back.
Was it bad?
It wasn't that bad because if you like, it's like a Tesla where you brake and recharge it a little bit. So
Really?
I coast for a little bit down a hill, and then hit it to go up the hill, and it give me like a little bit of a spurt and get like a head start.
Oh shit. Sophie was sneezing so much today. I've never heard her sneeze that many times in a row. And I guess there's like this red tide thing. I don't know, like, do you know what it is? Can you explain
Bacteria that mixes with the ocean salt or whatever.
Uh-huh.
When it blows, you inhale it, it makes you cough or sneeze.
Yeah.
And it's not dangerous to humans apparently unless you eat something that's caught the red tide fever or whatever the fuck it's
Oh
called.
shit.
And if you like eat that, then it can make you feel sick. But it's fine, it says.
Alright, it's time. We got the electric bikes. Let's see what charge mine's at. Okay, I think we're good. You ready? Okay, we made it to Alice Beach. They have crew here. They're a sunglass shop. And this is what it looks like. And then there's the shop that we're gonna go into. What do you want? A nice
I'll be a golf polo, quarter zip, or pucker hat.
They have like so much new stuff. Okay, so these are all the colors they have. I have that shirt in a sweatshirt. But I feel like nothing is really calling my name other than maybe another blue, but like why would I do that? And then maybe this peach. I don't know. These are the sweatshirts over here. White, pink, pretty much all the same colors. This is a peach one. That's interesting, but not my color. I don't know. But I don't really like the hoodies, or do I? I don't know. Those totes are cute up there.
Strapped Peter Millar.
Cute.
Baby blue, the gray.
The boys section is so much better than the girls. Yeah. I'm on 4% on my camera. Very dumb for not even checking before I left the house, but we're gonna eat at Citizen. We actually ate here with my dad for lunch and it was so good. So we're gonna try dinner. He got the espresso martini and I got the pina colada. I literally ordered a virgin because alcohol ruins things sometimes, but.
Nice mocha, but like watered down a little.
Virgin pina colada. Take me to Cancun right now. I just want to drink these all day.
Virgin margarita. So you can drink virgin pina coladas on the beach and pretend to be drunk.
That'd be great.
You're a club flash.
Yeah. I'm scared. I don't like coffee. Why do you guys
So dramatic. Look at you.
No,
You're so dramatic.
We got the pork fried rice, pork belly fried rice or something, and then beef tartare. We got the tile fish and this grits and seafood dish. They both look so good. All right, guys, we had to do it. We got dessert. We just got done eating dinner, but my favorite thing about Alice Beach are those lamps. They're stunning, and they're like on every house. I love them. It's time to take my makeup off and get into bed. It's like almost 10, and every night I'm just like, I just want to be in bed early, watch TikToks, and fall asleep. I feel like I don't even have the attention span for like a show, although we did finish Squid Games, and honestly, it was really freaking good. Ryan doesn't think that it was like worthy of the most popular Netflix show, which I guess I also don't understand that, but like I don't know what would be, but it was really freaking good, I think. I've also been kind of obsessed with watching like Squid Games behind the scenes of like when they were filming it. It's very interesting because they have like all the green screens up and like the way that the characters like kind of like snap out of their characters when they're like acting and not acting is kind of crazy. So highly recommend if you guys loved Squid Games to look that up. But like I said, gonna take off my makeup. Kind of running low on my favorite makeup wipes, and I didn't bring like face wash because I just like wash my face with the wipe, if that makes sense. It's like a soapy thing. Since we don't have a car, we're using my dad's electric bikes, which are so fun, but we don't know how long a battery lasts. Like Ryan said today, his bike kind of like died out in the middle of nowhere. Like it'll say it has like 3 bars and then just like drop really quick. So I don't know, we're gonna have to like figure that stuff out. But for groceries and just like things that we need, because we needed like sunscreen, for example, and we didn't bring it, we are using like the Publix delivery app. Like thank God that those things are a thing, because I don't know what else we would have done. Ubers and Lyfts are stupid expensive. Like I looked at an Uber for the airport, which the airport is kind of like far away. It's like 30 something minutes, maybe 40 minutes away from here, and it was like $100 or more, maybe like 120, but on Lyft it said it was like $40. But then I looked at a restaurant that was like maybe 15 minutes away, and it was literally the same price on Lyft. It was like $40. So I don't understand. But I feel like I got a lot of like my eating out stuff satisfied with my dad, because we like were eating out every meal. I feel like there's still restaurants I want to go to, but unfortunately they like are kind of like farther away, so we need to take a car. I don't know if that'll even happen, honestly. That's why we went to Citizen today, because it's like literally down the street. And there's some other restaurants in like Rosemary Beach that we haven't really been to or tried. So I'm just gonna have to like do some planning for next week. I'm gonna try to go to the restaurants like on the weekdays, because I feel like if you went to any of these like fancy restaurants or like well-known restaurants on a weekend, there's no way you're getting in, because it was so hard for me to even get a reservation. So I mean, maybe with 2 people it wouldn't be that bad, since we have food at home. I was thinking we could just like cook on the weekends when it's busy outside. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna try to do daily vlogs. I feel like it'll be a little bit difficult just because if we are at the beach like a lot, I don't want to bring my camera out there, so maybe I'll just like vlog on my iPhone. But anyways, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.